This is the Butler level over the water bungalow. We're entering bungalow 6009. So you walk into your butler pantry that has your coffee bar, also has your upgraded bar as well, with some nice top shelf liquors. Your refrigerator here stocked with sodas, juices, waters, and beverages. Prosecco, my favorites. You come in, then you've got a nice little sitting area here. And wow, get ready to be wowed when you enter. You've got your living area here with your large screen TV. This is fabulous, and even better at night because there's a light under it, and you'll see a lot of fish right here in your glass bottom floor in your bedroom. Not too many bedrooms in Iowa have that option. When you wake up every morning, this will be your view. Right out onto your private patio. Directly on the ocean. And as you can see, out here it's a true over-the-water experience because we are quite a ways from shore. You've got your private floating raft. You've got a couple of sitting areas with a shade umbrella if needed. You've got your chase lounges here. A great place to have your butler bring you breakfast right here in the morning. A private tranquility soaking tub with an outdoor shower. That door will lead you into the indoor shower as well. And over here you have a fun, not as easy to get into as it looks, but fun hammock to hang out in as well. Looks right into your bedroom area. So as you come back in the bedroom, you've got your closet here. This has a nice little extra vanity area over here to store all of your things. Double vanities here into the stool area. Got a nice walk-in shower with a waterfall shower head, and that goes, as I said, outside to your outdoor soaking tub. This is the Butler level over the water bungalow. Wouldn't you love to wake up to this view every morning?